Good morning, children. I have told you about shapes. You know what is shapes and all the things already done in. Today we will do all things with the help of shapes. With the help of shapes. So see children, first of all we will revise. This is circle. This is circle. This is triangle. This is what? Triangle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. This is oval. And this is semicircle or half circle. This is semicircle or half circle. This is circle, spelling CIRCLE, triangle TRIANGLE, then square SQUARE, square, then rectangle rectangle TANGLE, rectangle, then oval OVAL, oval, then half circle RCLE. So see, circle, circle, then triangle, square, rectangle, oval, then half circle. So children, with the help of this shape, I will draw one diagram, and you have to identify how many circles are there, how many rectangle are there, how many square are there, how many triangle are there. See how. See, I have made one robot, and you have to identify how many rectangle, how many square, how many oval or something are there. Whatever it is. So we will see circle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 circles. There are 5 circles. Circle. There are how many circles? 5. Circle 5. Now rectangle you see 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles are there. 3 rectangle. Square. This is square. This is square. So how many square? Square 1. Now triangle see 1, 2. Oval is same, half circle is also there. So half half circle is 1. So like this we will do. So I give you one diagram like this, or many other diagram also I can give. So you have to just identify how many circle, how many triangle, how many oval is here. See in this robot, how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3. So I've written 3. How many circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've written circle 5. You have to just write the number how many circle is there. How many rectangle is there? See triangle 1, 2. So I've written 2 triangle. So half circle is 1. And this is square is also 1. I will show you one more diagram. Now you have to identify how many circle, how many triangle, how many oval in this. Okay. So this is the okay. Now you see how many circles are there. Is there any circle? No circle is there. So directly write here 0. How many rectangle? Rectangle is there? Yes. 1, 2. This is one rectangle. See. This is one rectangle, and this door is also one rectangle, and this trees, this one is also one rectangle. The total how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3. How many are there rectangle? 3 rectangle. How many rectangles are there? 3 rectangles. After that square you see 1, 2. Only 2 squares are there. No squares are there. Only 2 squares are there. 1, 2. 2. See triangle. Yes, many triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangle? 4 triangle. And half circle? No. No half circle is there. So directly write 0. Okay, this type of diagram I will give you, and you have to identify how many circles are there, triangle is there, oval is there. If I draw one bird, now you see how many circle, rectangle, triangles are there. See these birds. You have to just count the circle, triangle, rectangle, everything, and you just write there. Okay. So how many oval is there? 1. See this one is oval shape. Oval shape. And this drawing is very easy. You can also draw in your copy. This is oval shape. So how many oval is there? 1. Circle. 1, 2. This eye is also circle. Then this head is also circle. So 1, 1, 2. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangle is there. So like this I will give you, and I make you practice in online classes also, and in your copy I will give you. So children, like this shape I will, you know everything I have already done. Today I give in your online class also I will say. So children, you see this one, all these diagrams, and all these diagrams with the help of shapes I have drawn. So you have to identify the shapes, how many numbers are there, and just write. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.